ACT math geometry problem with polygons. Let's go. So in the figure below, two non-adjacent sides of a regular pentagon are extended until they meet at point X. So they're asking what is the measure of angle X. So the concept that we are going to use for this problem is the sum of the interior angles of a polygon are given by this formula n minus 2 times 180, the sum of interior angles of any polygon. So in this case, n is 5 because it's a pentagon, so the number of sides is 5. So that's what we are going to substitute. So here I have just this figure enlarged, and the very step one that we are going to do is we're going to find the sum of all of these angles, interior angles. So in order to do that, we're going to use this formula. So we're going to substitute 5 here. 5 minus 2 times 180 is the sum of all the interior angles of this pentagon. Okay, so 5 minus 2, 3 times 180. So we get the sum of all the interior angles to be 540 degrees. Now the step 2 is we want to calculate what each angle is, each one of these angles of the pentagon, okay, because we want to get to this angle right here. So that's 540 divided by 5, since there are 5 sides. So each of these angle is coming to be 108 degrees. And why we want this angle is because we want to find this angle of the triangle. That's what we are trying to get to. So step 3 is going to be, we are going to calculate how much is that angle of the this triangle. Okay, and this angle and then this angle, they are the same because these are both 108 degrees. So 108 degrees plus this question mark angle of the triangle equals 180 because they are on a straight line, they are supplementary angles. So it's going to be 180 minus 108 degrees, which gives each of these angles to be equal to 72 degrees each. Okay, so next step, step 4, is we want to calculate the angle X. Now we can just do it using the sum of 3 angles of a triangle. 72 plus 72 plus this angle X equals 180 degrees. 3 angles equals 180 of any triangle. So that's 144 degrees plus angle X equals 180. So bring this to the other side. 180 minus 144, 36 degrees is the correct answer, which is choice C. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.